Take him. Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. As always, it's Gregor Outdoors. We're starting the intro off a little late this morning. Here with Sam. The day before Thanksgiving.
Hungry.
Yeah, we're set up. I don't know how well you guys can see me. The screen looks a little dark, but we've seen quite a few groups right before shooting time, about 15 minutes before, heading in one direction. So hopefully we can get them to come back at some point and get a couple shots off today. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications. Stay tuned. Once it gets a little bit lighter out, I'll show you guys what's going on. This is what the spread looks like right now. Some pumpers and some teal and some mallard decoys. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Hopefully today's gonna be a good one. There you go. I don't know why that's being stupid. Okay.
Today's like one of the biggest drinking holidays of the year.
Is it?
The day before Thanksgiving, because I guess nobody works the day of Thanksgiving. So it's pretty quite out.
Coming at us.
Coming back, right? Coming back.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Take him. Hopefully that's not too deep. It's not terrible out here. I mean, it's bad, but spoonies, bro. Spoonies, bro. Well, we're not skunks, so I'm happy about that.
There's a fucking bird out there.
That one right there. There's one swimming.
There's two, yeah.
That looks like a merganser. Oh, there's a group right there.
Yep.
Where you at?
Here they come.
Take him. No. Yeah.
I mean, we could have killed those.
Oh yeah. I got my heart racing. That's
I've never
for sure.
seen mergansers like that. That was a ton of them.
Yeah.
I mean, that would have been. We wouldn't have ate it, but.
I saw the orange feet and I was like, huh. What do they call them? Red-breasted? There's a duck right there. What is that? Well, folks, A little while ago, Sam ended up getting a hen goldeneye. A bunch of goldeneyes came in as we're getting ready to break everything down. It's about 10 o'clock, so we haven't even really been out here that late. But started cleaning up. A couple goldeneyes came in. He ended up getting one, so we ended up finishing with a hen goldeneye and a hen spoonie. So nothing to write home about. But this hunt was miserable as far as the mud was concerned. Mud up to our knees, if not to our hips in most places, which is unbelievable. But we did end up with 2 birds, so better than nothing, I guess. But we'll definitely not be coming back out here without a kayak. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, turn it from red to gray, turn on those bell notifications, and make sure you go follow us on Instagram as well. That'll be posted below. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We get out here, did some hunting today. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Until next time, we'll see you later.